This 15-minute scalping strategy works every single day. Now, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can achieve this. The first thing you want to know is that the market has different phases, right? So if we have a bull market, a bull trend, like so, right, we should be looking for buys. Now, if we have a sell trade, we should be looking for sells. But this right here that you can see is a consolidation just before a reversal. So when you spot this on your higher time frame, you go to your lower time frame, 15 minutes sharp, and get this strategy that I'm about to reveal to you. This is MJ Crypto. So in case you are just joining me for the very first time, pay attention because you're going to learn a lot. So guys, look at this. We want to see a liquidity sweep happening at the low. We want to see a liquidity sweep happening at this low, right? And we want to see a valid change of character showing us that price wants to what? Reverse back to the upside to the next draw on liquidity, which is usually this swing old high. So we're looking to trade from here. We're looking to trade from here, everything happening here, and then taking price back to the upside. I'm going to show you a live trade right now that is currently ongoing that we can use this strategy for and get continuous profit. Now, let me take you down to the chart. So this is, I'm going to wipe out everything here and rearrange it and show you guys how these things are done. So guys, look at this very quickly. Look at this right here. Can you see? Can you see we had a low here? We had a low here, somewhere around here, right? And we had a high here. Now, watch this. How do I know this is a sweep of liquidity? You can see how price returned back into the range. Let's say this is our range low, range high. You can see how price returned back into this range. And what has price been doing? When it returned, what did it do? It gave us a continuation. This is the continuation we are looking for. Give us what? A continuation strategy like this. We had a break of structure. We had inducement. Inducement that did not break structure. All right. Came back, we tapped into what? Point of interest, and we broke structure again. So this formation is what we are seeing here. Now let me actually just put it in front of you so that you see it very clearly. Break of structure, right? Good. The same thing here. Right? Inducement. A lot of persons must have started trading from here, thinking price wants to go up. This is all retail. That's why you see the trend is weak. Nothing happened here. Price came back to mitigate what? Order block. Effecto. Amazing strategy. It worked. Price mitigated, and we broke structure again. We now broke what? Structure again. Very sharp. So if you see this, very, 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 very sharp. So I'm looking to buy from here now. I'm looking to buy what? From here, from this fair value gap, right? I'm looking to buy from this fair value gap to my next draw on liquidity. Next draw on liquidity is somewhere around here. So I will keep buying, keep waiting for my what? Continuation pattern to form, then buy. Ordinarily, this should give me about 1 to how many? It should give me about 1 to, let's say about 1 to 8 RR, or even 1 to 10 RR. But I'm not going to trade like this. I will trade it in bits. So I'll get my first entry here, look at my left side, and take my what? First point of interest to be here. Chakam. So I must have gotten 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 from this trade here. 1 to 3. So I wait for another continuation again. I wait for this to appear here again. knock this out. I wait for this thing to appear here again. Then take another buy trade. Take another buy trade again. Target here. So I have to. So this is my directional bias now. So I'm now looking for buys. The only way I'll be looking for sells is if I get a sell confirmation. But so far, so good. I've not gotten any sell confirmation. I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish here till price takes out all these liquidity points and up towards this particular high here, which is my next draw liquidity. So guys, this is basically how you can actually trade profitably using this 15 minutes scalping strategy. 15-minute scalping strategy that works every single time, all right? That works every single time. See, look at this. On the 15 minutes, we have all these what? Liquidity points here. Can you see? We have all these liquidity points. So I'm expecting price to come back, sweep all of them, take all of them out, tag me towards a valid POI, right? A valid POI somewhere around here. And then Viola, we are good to go. So this is what I am expecting, right? 1 to 6 RR. Super interesting, guys. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this. I'm highly expectant of this trade. I'm going to see you in the next video. One love. Peace out. Stay nice. Stay sharp.